She hasn't stopped talking today at all.
Sheena. Sheena, where's your nose? Where's Sheena's nose? That's Mommy's nose. Where's Sheena's nose? Where's your ears? Sheena, where's your ear? I'm not sure. I don't know where the ball is. I think Marlo broke it. It's okay, we have a couple more.
What's Grandma doing?